Many famous people from the sporting and business worlds have extolled the virtues of collaboration, teamwork, and the power of positive partnerships. People like basketball supremo Michael Jordan. Thanks, Mike. Three-pointer. Or the late, great Steve Jobs. Nice one, Steve. Here at Seco, we are no strangers to collaborative approaches to problem solving. Indeed, our growth and success is, in addition to our market-leading products and services, down to our ability to create long-term profitable partnerships with our customers and to work collaboratively with a number of technical partners. Our forthcoming Inspiration Through Innovation Manufacturing Best Practice event in October is a case in point, because here over the two-day show we have 50 exhibitors showcasing the latest technology solutions to visitors. These exhibitors include Recognising that no one has a monopoly on good ideas, why not visit the event? Talk to these exhibitors directly about your machining challenges and find out what you could be doing to make things different and better in your own production facilities. Part and parcel of this year's Inspiration Through Innovation event is a series of inspiring seminars. There are 9 in total, each one devoted to a relevant manufacturing issue, like Delivered by leading experts, these seminars are a must for manufacturers committed to continuous improvement and for those wanting to know how to make complex precision components faster, better and more economically than before. No Seco event would be complete without a range of innovative machining demonstrations on view. This year there are 15 demonstrations, each designed to show the exceptional and outstanding results that can be achieved working in collaboration with us and our technical partners. Take this part for example. It's an aerospace component made of titanium. It's machined using a DMG Mori machining centre using Seco cutting tools, EdgeCam CAD-CAM software, ROM-held work holding and cutting fluids from Houghton. Machined from solid with a total cycle time of... Sorry, what? Excuse me. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm not allowed to give you that information. Apparently you're going to have to come here and watch it being machined for yourself in our Inspiration Through Innovation open house in October. I think they would have told me that before. Sorry, we're still on. Still on. See you in October. You know what I mean? Stitch me up.